Hello and very warm welcome to all the future officers. This is your mentor Sahil Singh at Budding Mariners, and today I've brought you the Shipping Corporation of India, our own company owned by the Indian government. So let us know each and everything about it. The pride of Indian flag, it has 59 active vessels with bulk carriers, container ships, oil tankers, LPGs and LNGs. A premier Indian ownership company known for high employment retention, excellent officer treatment and diverse operation capabilities. Let us know the eligibility for this company. Your PCM aggregate should be 60% and improvement exams and NIOS boards are officially accepted. Then there comes the English, 50% minimum required in either 10th or 12th. Then the base requirement for age is 17 to 25 for the general category. As it is an Indian company owned by Indian government, it has quotas for both SC/ST, female and OBC. So there is a 2 years relaxation for them. In the August batch, it had 40 seats, and shockingly, on the February batch, the intake of seats was 120 seats. Seat availability is highly dynamic per batch, acceptability and timely application crucial for securing your spot before closing. This is the complete process how you get selected in this company. You a direct application, you do not need a written exam for this particular sponsorship. Then there comes the interview conducted online or on offline basis. Then there comes the psychometric test. After clearing the interview, a psychometric test of 3 hours including 360 questions and medical fitness as per the DG standards. Let us know and take a insight inside the interview. Non-technical is the primary focus in these interviews, evaluating your attitude, situational awareness, communication skills, and culturally fit for a high retention environment or not. Then there comes the technical, the baseline requirement. Fundamental knowledge is expected. You must not neglect core technical subjects, but they alone are not able to secure your selection. You need to have a perfect balance between non-technical and technical both, while giving a more preference to non-technical. Now, SCI MTI Mumbai is the campus where you will be doing your DNS from SCI. World-class maritime infrastructure, top-tier faculties, and rigorous academic standards and investment of 7 lakh rupees. Candidates here graduate with superior training, direct impacting their immediate career trajectory and ship assignment priority. Your waiting period to get assigned a ship is not arbitrary. It is directly reflection of your academic performance during your DNS training, and high academic achievers are given priority while providing the ships. Market conditions fluctuate. Yes, guys, by the time you will complete your DNS, it might be possible that this waiting period will increase or decrease. So keep that in mind. As it is an Indian company, it provides stipend in Indian rupees only, and the stipend for it is 10,000 rupees per month during the initial training phase. Promotion speed is slow but steady. Because SCI is a premium ownership company, senior officers receive excellent treatment, and this is what happens when the senior officers they do not resign or change companies, then the promotion timeline slows down, and this is what happens in SCI also. Let us check the complete trajectory with SCI. First you clear the eligibility, then you get selected by interview, after that psychometric test, then training in SCI MTI Mumbai, then there comes the placement, then there comes the placement on board ship, and then the boarding. Stable career. This was everything about SCI. To stay updated with Merchant Navy facts, subscribe to the channel.